viewers, welcome to my channel Discover Your Own Urja with Shameen. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends and relatives. So, as promised earlier, here I am discussing with you the styles of parenting. I spoke about the good one, that is the democratic and the positive parenting. But let me show you that there are parenting styles: autocratic, democratic and permissive. This was a few decades ago, where autocratic was disciplinarian parenting, democratic was a proper mix of autocratic and permissive is parenting without boundaries, whatever you like and however you like. Okay, but the new trend is positive parenting. That's why you can see I've written it in red. So let me first explain democratic. Democratic parenting is basically the blend, a perfect blend of autocratic and permissive. If you remember in my last video, I mentioned it, that we take a little from the democratic side, from the authoritative side, and be firm. But at the same time, from the permissive side, be polite. So firmness plus politeness makes it democratic. Right? Democratic meaning it's child-centered. Right? You give child choices. Does not mean that you allow the child to do whatever it wants to do. Logically explain to the child and then allow the child to make choices out of 2 or 3 options that you have to offer. That is democratic. Because if you don't give options, then it oscillates towards permissive. Okay, and if you give only one option, then it oscillates to autocratic. Right? So the child feels free to choose from those 2 or 3 or 4 options that you have provided. Yes, many parents tell me this is too much of work. Oh yes, bringing up a child is not easy. Right? But let's enjoy this process. Right? So that is democratic. Now let us come to positive parenting. What is positive parenting? It's the same as democratic, but here what researchers say is that if you say no several times, then you are actually cutting the creativity in the child. Okay? Yeah, sounding little harsh, cutting the creativity. Why do I say that? So probably the child may have his own imagination or own understanding or own way of explaining something, and if we keep on correcting it, okay, and keep on saying no to everything, then the child becomes, doubtful, self-doubt comes in, some amount of aversion towards parents if it is a strong personality. So there are many other things that could happen. Let us not get there. Let us focus on positive parenting. So basically positive parenting is when I say yes to everything does not mean that I allow my child to jump on the sofa. No. Correct? So instead of saying no, we have to give an alternative for jumping, which means you can say the sofa is meant for sitting. If you want to jump, maybe you can jump when we go to the garden, or Mama will buy a trampoline for you to jump on. That is how we give options to the child and do not say no for everything. Because when we say no for everything, it is not good for the psyche of the child. So this is what positive parenting is all about. Watch out for my next video where I talk about what happens when we keep on saying no to the child. So, thank you very much and see you soon.